The Jura WE6 is a celebration of the essentials, engineered for purists who demand absolute consistency and quality in their daily coffee. Its piano black finish is both timeless and professional, fitting seamlessly into boardrooms, boutique offices, and creative studios alike. The machine's compact yet sturdy build reflects Jura's commitment to durability and reliability, ensuring it can withstand the rigors of daily use in a busy setting. Just make sure to check the description box for links to the best price on the Jura WE6. With a 101-ounce water reservoir, a 17.7-ounce bean container, and a grounds container that holds up to 25 portions, the WE6 is perfectly calibrated for environments where around 30 cups are brewed daily. The large water tank is easy to remove and refill, with a substantial handle and wide opening that make maintenance almost effortless. The sealed bean hopper preserves the integrity and aroma of specialty beans, while the large grounds container minimizes the need for frequent emptying. The WE6 excels at the classic trio: ristretto, espresso, and regular coffee. Each cup is brewed with remarkable precision, thanks to the Aroma G3 grinder and Jura's pulse extraction process, PEP. The grinder is designed to deliver a uniform grind, preserving the delicate oils and aromas that define the character of each bean. The PEP system pulses water through the grounds in short intervals, optimizing extraction and resulting in a cup with a thick crema, vibrant acidity, and a lingering, complex finish. As any Jura WE6 review will tell you, the intelligent water system is a subtle but vital feature. By automatically detecting the CLEARYL Pro Smart Plus filter using RFID, the WE6 ensures that every beverage is brewed with pure, filtered water. This not only enhances the taste and aroma of the coffee, but also protects the machine from scale and mineral buildup, reducing maintenance and extending its operational life. The system's prompts for filter changes and cleaning cycles make upkeep straightforward, even for users with little technical experience. The user interface is a study in clarity and simplicity. The TFT color display, paired with large, tactile buttons, makes drink selection and customization intuitive. You can program individual drinks for strength, volume, and temperature, then save those preferences for repeated use. For office managers or administrators, the ability to disable certain products or programming options is invaluable, ensuring that the machine's operation remains consistent and aligned with workplace needs. A removable hot water spout adds another layer of versatility, making the WE6 suitable for tea, Americanos, or even instant soups. The spout is easy to clean and replace, supporting high hygiene standards in shared environments. For those who embrace smart technology, the WE6 is compatible with Jura's Smart Connect, enabling remote operation via the Joe app. This allows you to customize drinks, start brews, and monitor maintenance from their smartphones or tablets, integrating seamlessly into a modern office ecosystem. In daily operation, the Jura WE6 Piano Black is a model of reliability and simplicity. It delivers classic coffee drinks with barista-level quality every single time. Its robust construction, advanced brewing technology, and intuitive interface ensure that it not only meets but exceeds the expectations of coffee lovers in any professional setting. That's everything you need to know about the Jura WE6. For more info and the latest offers, make sure to visit the links I provided in the description.